Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Moto E22i and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app and first of all let's switch to the video option. If you can see this red dot inside the shutter button, for sure you're on the video mode. So right here, let me tap on this option, and unfortunately it is a ratio, so we do not have a dedicated option highlighted in this option bar. So let's enter the settings which are in the right upper corner, and now let's localize the video size. So let's tap on it. And here, as you can see, unfortunately we do not have a lot of options to choose from. We've got only full one and 1080p. So all you have to do is to tap on the option. It will be of course immediately applied, and from now on your device will use the chosen option whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.